And on matters tea, the High Court has stopped the implementation of a section of the new tea laws which demands that all tea other than specialty tea is sold exclusively at the auction. In his ruling, High Court Judge Justice Antony Mrima gave a temporary order restraining the Attorney General, Agriculture Cabinet Secretary and the Agriculture and Food Authority from demanding and collecting any tea levy or additional levies connected to imports and exports of tea until the Kenya Tea Growers Association matter has been determined. Well, that's business for tonight. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Noki Kimbo. Have yourself a good night.